But I feel like God purposes everything, right? Even the failures, even the rejections are good to set you up for something later. You know what I'm saying? Because the song would have been great with Jordan, but it wouldn't have been the moment it was for Ariana. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, damn, they with the song, or they told me no over here, or this person didn't call me back from this label or this place. It's like, they weren't supposed to call you back. Right? They weren't supposed to call you back. They weren't supposed to say yes. Because it might be for someone else. Or that situation might not have been the situation for you. So anytime someone tells me no, I definitely look at it like it's their loss. It's not mine. So I'm going to continue to keep making songs. I'm going to continue to be great. I'm going to continue to get out here and get after it. And this song, if it don't go to this person, it's going to go to somebody else. And then you're going to kick yourself when it's like, damn, that was our joint. And that's how you got to feel about it. It's like, all right, damn, I like that song. Cool, I got 8 more. And if you don't like those, I'm going to take them over here to this place. And if y'all don't want them, I'm a single. It's going to get out. Like, I don't care. It's going to work. Like, at the end of the day, you can't stop what's destined for you. So.